Well, yeah, way back on Friday, the Dow was up 95 points. It closed at 19,827. It was a choppy day of trading with the market mostly higher all day, but with big swings. Financial stocks were up 0.5% for the day, but down, over 1.5% for the week. The Dow was down 0.3% for the week. Its second weekly loss in a row.
All right, GE, let's start there. GE's had a nice slow rise over the last couple of years. What's the latest there?
It has. GE reported a 2% decline in revenue as jet engine deliveries were lower than expected, and sales to the oil sector were also lower. Revenue came in at $33.1 billion, and they made a profit of $3.67 billion, or about 39 cents a share. GE shipped about 77 aircraft engines, and they expected to ship about 100, and sales to the oil patch were down about 22%, and the oil portion is what's really hurting them.
Yeah, that's interesting. All right, that's GE. What about AT&T and DirecTV? What's going on there?
Right. AT&T's DirecTV now added over 200,000 subscribers in its first month. DirecTV now offers skinny bundles with 100 channels for $60 a month. They had an introductory rate of about $35 a month. Now, this is the first major operator to change the TV landscape. It's going to be interesting to see where it goes from here. So $60 a month for 100 channels.
That is pretty interesting. All right. What about Samsung?
Now, Samsung blames the Galaxy 7 Note's overheating problems on manufacturing and design problems with the battery, but still can't identify the root cause of the problem. 700 Samsung engineers and 3 outside firms tested over 30,000 batteries to try and find the problem, but still could not. Samsung recalled 2.5 million phones, and the launch of the Note 8 might be delayed. I think that would make a lot of sense if your phone catches fire. It's trying not launch the new one.
I'm no expert. I'm no business genius, but I would think if your phone bursts into flame, I would hold off selling it until you solve that problem.
I would kind of hold off on that one for a little bit.
That's why you're in the business of business, Scott Crothers. All right, what other markets look today?
Well, today the Dow looks flat. We get a ton of earnings this week. We have no major economic news today, but tomorrow we get existing home sales and new home sales on Thursday. On Friday, we get the first look at fourth quarter GDP and durable goods. So pretty busy week this week.
All right, Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks, Rob.
741, Big 550.